Hey folks, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. I just found out from YouTube that over 95% of the people on my channel who watches my videos have not subscribed. And people actually ask me, they're annoyed that I don't let them know when I put out a new video. It's kind of easy, just hit the subscribe button. So before we get started, I just thought I'd get that out of the way. Enjoy the video. It's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. Excuse the background noise. Guess what? I'm not in an office. Had to take an access point down that failed. I think I figured out why. Because something ate through the cable. See that? So lesson learned. If you're going to be putting stuff outside, put it in a conduit. Make sure it's protected. Anything, just make sure you understand where you're putting the stuff. Mice, rodents, whatever will get in there. I've even seen this stuff fray, rubbing up against something metal over time. So please, please, please pay attention. Have a good day, folks. Bye for now.